Hey there folks, my name is Galen. I'm the creator, writer, and artist behind the ongoing series Baku Dreamwalkers, which is my self-published comic book series. I also have a second book in progress called Crimson Hex, and I do an illustration project called Project Illucid, where I do some spicy artwork. This channel is dedicated to helping you develop art and comic making skills. I have an in-depth series called Creating Comics Start to Finish that's aimed to help you to be able to create a comic book from the very beginning all the way down to getting it printed and in the hands of your fans. I've even got workbooks that you can use along with the series while you're planning your comics. You can find me online at Art by Galen on all the things. Now, I do want to tell you I don't necessarily have a regular publishing schedule. Rather, what I try to do is make content that I enjoy and that I believe is going to provide value to you. And so essentially, when I have something useful to put up, I put it up. So if you're an artist, a writer, a comic maker of any kind, and you're looking to improve your skill set in your craft, or to be a part of a creative community that's focused on growth and improvement, hit that subscribe button and that bell icon to make sure you get notified whenever new content goes up. Thank you so much for dropping by my channel. I hope to see you again, and until next time, keep creating and take care.